Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for May 24th, 2016. For your Tuesday, we're going to finally see a change after we get rid of this upper level system that is just offshore. It does form a surface low connected with it. It was the same system that brought us some afternoon showers and thunderstorms yesterday. It is finally going to be pulling away, and with that, is going to take this trough that's been sitting over the northeastern United States with it, and a ridge is going to build in its place, and it's going to be quite an impressive ridge. We'll get into that in a second. Here's your area low pressure. Now, the global models don't have this coming too far west. It comes just into coastal sections of New Jersey with the rain. Let's go over to the NAM real quick, just show you what that's doing. A little bit further west with that axis, mainly across the northern half of New Jersey. Still left an isolated shower in areas of far eastern Pennsylvania for the morning. I think it's going to be one of those deals where we have clouds in the morning, an isolated chance for a shower, and then giving way to partly cloudy skies. Same deal here in New Jersey, but you're going to have more scattered showers, it looks like, in the morning, and that's going to be generally for the eastern sections. But again, we can't rule out that that does spill across the Pennsylvania border, but it'll be awfully close, so we don't want to eliminate that possibility. This does diminish throughout the day, the rainfall does, and then we should maybe have improving conditions very late across New Jersey here. So maybe don't expect to see too much sun today. Maybe later in the day you could get into that as you get toward dinner time. But areas further west will be improving quite rapidly. Matter of fact, out in central PA where we had all those storms yesterday, even some hail reports, some tremendous hail reports down here in parts of Lebanon, Lancaster, and York counties yesterday. But we're going to be high and dry today, mostly sunny out in central PA. Just those clouds giving way to sun, maybe an early shower in eastern PA, and then same thing for Delaware, then across New Jersey, mainly the northern half, will be battling those showers. I'm going to move ahead from this system here and move this out of here. It's going to head off to the northeast, and it's going to be replaced by mostly sunny conditions here on Wednesday. As high pressure builds in, we're going to have that warmth starting to increase. We're going to get well into the 80s in many locations on Wednesday, but that's not the half of it. We're going to get into one of those patterns that you get into with some hazy, humid, and hot weather that's going to go on for a pretty good stretch, and I think it continues right through the Memorial Day weekend, if not beyond. And we will have with that an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm. This is not part of any organized activity over the next couple of days. This is looking at late Thursday, just an isolated chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, and that's just because of the instability created by that heat in place. And we move to Friday, same deal here. Moving ahead to Saturday, same deal here. No organized systems. This is just a heat of the day variety, storms, garden variety type things. Same thing for Sunday. And Memorial Day actually doesn't show anything, but I'd still leave an isolated shower there also late in the day. This is just one of those deals where it gets really warm during the day, you get some increased instability, surface space mostly, and you get some pop-up storms. So most areas stay dry, but you do have the threat of that through that period. But the big story is going to be the heat coming out. This is not indicative of every single day here, but you do have the opportunity to be in the mid to upper 80s, maybe even hitting 90 degrees in some locations. It's going to be possible, especially down here towards Philadelphia, maybe parts of the interior where typically or climatologically speaking, you can get into some drier heat here, and that's going to be the case across the parts of the interior as well. So this is not going to be indicative every day, but mid upper 80s is going to be the rule rather than the exception as we go straight through the holiday weekend coming up. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for May 24th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.